Good morning. We just mold our olive oil soap and I'm going to try to carry into bars. But if it's too soft, I will let it dry for a day or two and then I'll try it again. So let's get started. We just molded and I will try. What I would like to try is move it to my towel here, but I feel like it's kind of oily that it will stain my table here, so I might just try to use the mold bottom to support it. So what I like to do is it's going to be pretty much 1 inch wide. So just using a ruler here for my measurement. I think the last one is going to be bigger, but that's fine. So that's 3 divided into 3, and here I'm just going to do about 1 inch wide. And that's how I mark my soap. So it's going to be about 2 inch wide and 1 inch long. And that one is more as well. And our soap is marked. So now I'm going to use my knife and I'm going to just try to be quiet on straight in front of it and push it down. And I will put it out gently. And as you can see, because it's hand cut, it's not going to have the same size, same weight. Some of them will be smaller and some of them will be bigger. But I usually put the minimum weight online in my store, in my shop. So I'm going to turn it around. So far, I was able to cut it without problem. It's not too soft enough. It's not too soft. So I'm going now to cut it through as well. Just trying to push it through. Because you have coconut oil in a quite hard amount, it could harden very fast. So I usually cut it after 24 hours. But because the olive oil amount is more than coconut oil, is on the soft side, I have used a solid oil like cocoa butter, it could have hardened more than this. So it's not going to be sweet cut either. And you can see that is not too much residue on the knife. And I like this cutter. It's from Soap Equipment as well. It's not sharp or anything. Now we can see how many bars we made or we cut it into. So that's our soap. Let me let's wait a little bit and see. Let me move this on the side. Let's use this. I don't know if you can see my scale here. So let me put this on it. And let's grab a piece here. You can just get this end piece. Seven ounces. So when the cure is going to be lower, but not much. So you can see the weight. And usually online I will just put 4 ounces. So let's grab another one. I'll grab this one from the edge. So that's the middle, and it's 775. So let's change it to another one. $7.65. So as you can see, because they are hand cut, they are going to be different sizes. And that's our light you know, our olive oil, so we can see the color, the greenish color of the extra virgin olive oil. Give it that color. Let me see if I can peel another one here. And let's try to measure it here, to weight it here. 775. So they are all around 775. So I'll just put that the size varies and put 4 ounces. Usually that's what I do, regardless of the size. And that's our light soap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cure them I'm going to let them dry. So that's our light soap. Thank you for watching it. We are going to let it cure for 3 weeks. Before we start using it. I'm Nina from Fiavi Ojuna Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina's Soap. Now website is ninasoap.com. If you are interested in this soap after it cured, I will have it on our website for sale. And you'll be welcome to place an order. No dye, no fragrance. Olive oil, coconut oil, water, and sodium hydroxide. We hand stir it until it dries and high in glycerin. Thank you for watching.